Hey there! Is your health app on your iPhone not tracking your steps? Don't worry, there are several reasons this might be happening. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the health app not tracking steps on your iPhone. Let's dive into some troubleshooting steps to get this sorted out. Before we kick things off, make sure to turn off the following: Do Not Disturb or DND, Silent Mode, Low Battery Mode. These settings can restrict background apps from running properly. Solution 1. Ensure fitness tracking is enabled. First, head over to Settings. Then, scroll down a bit. Next, select Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down again. Find Motion and Fitness and tap on it. Finally, make sure both fitness tracking and health are switched on. Solution 2. Check Health Data Permissions. Go back to Settings. Scroll down again. Select Privacy and Security. Then, tap on Health. Verify that any apps or devices you're using to track steps, like your Apple Watch or fitness apps, have permission to share data with the Health app. Solution 3. Check Date and Time Settings. If your date and time settings are incorrect, it might prevent the Health app from tracking your activities accurately. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, select Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is turned on. Solution 4. Check iPhone Motion Sensors. Your iPhone relies on motion sensors to track your steps. If they are malfunctioning, step tracking won't work. To test the motion sensors, use an app like the Compass app or Level in the Measure app to check if they are responsive. If they are not, it could be a hardware issue. Solution 5. Reset all settings. If the other solutions haven't worked, consider resetting your settings. This won't delete any of your data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi and wallpaper. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Finally, choose Reset all settings. If these steps don't resolve the issue, there might be a hardware problem with your iPhone's sensors. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. I really hope this guide helped you out today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. See you next time.